A federal judge in the United States has thrown out a human smuggling prosecution against Salvadorian migrant Kilmar Abrego Garcia. The deportation of Mr. Abrego Garcia to El Salvador last year became a symbol of President Trump's immigration crackdown. The latest case was dismissed on the grounds of vindictive prosecution. Joel Gunter in Washington has the details.
The federal judge in this case didn't mince his words. He accused the Department of Justice of an abuse of prosecutorial power for bringing this case against Kilmar Abrego Garcia. He said that the case was essentially vindictive and dismissed it on this basis. Now, this all goes back to March of last year when Mr. Abrego Garcia was swept up in those mass deportations by the Trump administration. Some of those people controversially being sent to this so-called megaprison in El Salvador, where conditions were known to be very bad. The US Supreme Court ruled that Mr. Abrego Garcia's deportation was in violation of a US court order that had barred him from being sent back on the basis that he might be persecuted there. Now, the Trump administration resisted bringing Mr. Abrego Garcia back to the US, but they were forced to. And once they had, the Department of Justice pulled this case relating to this traffic stop off the shelf and began a prosecution against Mr. Abrego Garcia. Now, that case in Tennessee related to this traffic stop where he was stopped by immigration officials and was allegedly driving a vehicle involving other undocumented, a vehicle containing, other undocumented immigrants. The case didn't go anywhere at the time. After the Trump administration was forced to bring Mr. Abrego Garcia back to the US, the Department of Justice decided to reopen that case and prosecute him. And that is what the judge in Tennessee today ruled was essentially a vindictive prosecution, and he dismissed it on that basis.